Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a link from the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein app on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the shop page from which you can directly start shopping for various items. Now, when you come across an item that you are interested in, you can simply click on it and you will be able to view details about this item. Within the details page, you will also see the share button at the top right, which you can click on, and this will open up the share menu. Within the share menu, you will also find the copy link option. Go ahead and click on it, and now this will copy the link for the specific item that you are viewing onto your clipboard. Once this link has been copied, you can simply share it with anyone, and the individual that clicks on this link will directly end up to the item page right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to copy a link from the Shein application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.